Hey everybody, I'm trying a new uploading method from YouTube now. Anyway, here's the back of the locomotive. Thought I'd start here and show you a couple of things I've been working on lately. I did get one section of the brass plate, the ceiling plate on the bottom of the Smokebox done, as you can see it here. Let me talk about that a little bit. As you may recall, I made some paper templates the other day, and now I've made cardboard templates. This is the template for the one you see in place there. And I marked it out, cut it out of brass, and I used center punches to mark where all the holes are. And then I took the piece of brass, cut it out, and I used a punch on a piece of wood, block of wood, to mark the holes better so they would line up on the hole punch jig, which I'll show you in a minute. These are 1/4 inch holes, and then number 10 are 3/16 inch bolts, so there's a little clearance there, which is good considering the bending and the arcing and all that stuff. But pretty happy with the way the back part fits. I will need to relieve this a little bit because I don't want that to be cutting into the steam tube to the cylinders there. But other than that, it's a nice tight fit. It should work out good, and hopefully tonight, later on, or later on this week, I'll mark out and make the front piece, which will be something like this. I may not need to make such a tight squeeze since there's overlap, as I showed with the rear part. So anyway, that's the template part. Here's some of the marking out stuff that I used, and let me show you some of the tools real quick, and we'll wrap up this short video. There's a little Harbor Freight tin snips that I used, and some of the leftover brass pieces. Those things work great. I mean, they were like 10 bucks on sale, and very, very good piece of gear. Over here, I've showed this before, but let me show it again. This is a little hole punch. You can adjust the dies and the anvils in there, and you clamp it in your bench or any kind of a vise, and then there's a little dot there on the bottom, and you find the hole and just make the little neat, clean 1/2 inch brass hole like y'all saw a minute ago. So those are the tools, and that's the update from the shop tonight. And if y'all pardon me for the pivot, we'll get the show one more shot of the locomotive, how it looks right now, and hopefully I'll be around to make a little bit more progress on it, and I will keep you posted. Thanks for watching.